Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 11th to the 23rd. For March 11th to the 15th, we have a trough here in the west and a ridge here over the east. This ridge will be building here across the Caribbean. Trough energy near California on Monday will go here. Near California within this flow is will head eastward through the southeast Tuesday and then northeastward over the central to the east central states through the midweek period. So this is what we have. The pattern remains pretty much unchanged to this whole thing. But within this flow, we're going to still have another snowstorm affecting portions of the northern central states. I'm going to go through that now. Okay, we're going to look at now for look at 8 a.m. Tuesday. Here's our system here. They'll be moving out of the southwest. We're going to have rain, snow. Again, the models are not working the way they're supposed to. Then we'll go to 2 a.m. Wednesday. Here we go. We're the 540 line way up here. So this will probably be rain. Here's snow moving into the Rockies. And then we'll go to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Now you can see the storm really gets cranking here. Now it's pulling down colder air. And the 540 line, this will be snow. This will be heavy rain probably and storms. Possible embedded storms here across the Mississippi, middle Mississippi Valley, lower Mississippi Valley. Now, heavy rain and strong storms will be forecast for the south central states to the southeast. And then we'll have a frontal boundary near the Gulf Coast. Will bring a threat of locally heavy rain and flooding concerns late in the week. And we'll look at that. Here's our frontal system here, bringing rain and heavy rain. This is GFS. And then we'll look at which models is a GFS again. I had it twice. This is European deterministics, not as extreme. Let's see if we can find maybe earlier in the period. Here's a range of sun. This is European ensembles. Oh no, that's European deterministics. This is European ensembles. So pretty much showing the same thing. And late in the week, surface low will lift into eastern Canada with the attendant cold front that will be slow to move as it runs into this ridge building here across this region as it bumps in here. Okay, we're going to look at the period for March 14th to the 18th. The flow will feature a split. The flow will feature a split flow. Here's the northern branch, here's the southern branch. And we have below normal heights here in the west, ridge here in the east. Ma's a good agreement with this, you can see it. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperature, the forecast mainly east of the Mississippi River, and forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal or forecast. For precipitation, it's this map. Below normal, no, it's not this map. This map. We have below normal precipitations forecast from the plains to the Pacific coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. Above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now, as we get into the later part of March, 19th to the 23rd, I think we're going to have a pattern change. Now, GFS starts here, and then as we go through the period, you start seeing development of a trough. Now, this will be supported by let's see, If I can show you this here. We're going to have a strong trough moving through Eastern Asia, and this could be strong enough to amplify the flow over the North Pacific, bringing cold air back to the east. And also supporting this will be a positive PNA, negative EPO, and a positive NAO. So with that, we should have this kind of a pattern. Let me see if I can get that. Generally looking for a trough here in the east, ridge in the west. So if that holds through, I'm forecasting for this forecast period above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and then we have below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. Precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 55%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 11th to the 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.